The Great Migrations of Ocean Giants, an epic journey. Ever wondered where the ocean's biggest creatures disappear to? Prepare to be amazed by the incredible, often perilous journeys of whales, sea turtles, and whale sharks as they navigate vast oceans in search of food and breeding grounds. Humpback whales undertake some of the longest migrations of any mammal. They travel thousands of miles between their feeding grounds in polar regions and their breeding grounds in warmer tropical waters. These epic journeys are driven by the need to find abundant food sources like krill and small fish during the summer months. Then, they head to warmer waters to mate and give birth, where the calves can thrive in a safer environment. The males are known for their complex and beautiful songs, which they use to attract females. These songs can change over time and even spread between different populations of whales. Sea turtles have been migrating across the oceans for millions of years. These ancient mariners follow routes passed down through generations, often returning to the very same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs. Leatherback sea turtles, in particular, are known for their incredible endurance. They can travel over 10,000 miles in a single year, crossing entire oceans in search of jellyfish, their primary food source. These migrations are fraught with danger, from entanglement in fishing gear to habitat loss and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these magnificent creatures and their ancient migratory routes. Whale sharks, the largest fish in the world, are filter feeders that roam the oceans in search of plankton. Their migrations are less understood than those of whales and sea turtles, but scientists are beginning to unravel their secrets. These gentle giants often congregate in specific areas at certain times of the year, drawn by seasonal blooms of plankton. These gatherings provide opportunities for researchers to study their behavior and track their movements. Using satellite tagging and other technologies, scientists are discovering that whale sharks can travel vast distances, crossing entire ocean basins. They face threats from fishing, boat strikes, and plastic pollution. The Great Migrations of Ocean Giants are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. However, these incredible journeys are increasingly threatened by human activities. By understanding the migratory patterns of these animals, we can develop more effective conservation strategies. This includes protecting critical habitats, reducing pollution, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. We all have a role to play in ensuring that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the oceans for generations to come. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Inspired by these incredible journeys? Learn more about ocean conservation and how you can help protect these amazing animals. Visit our website to donate, volunteer, or simply spread awareness. Share this video with your friends and family to help us reach a wider audience. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a healthy future for our oceans and the giants that call them home. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing ocean content.